Good afternoon, everyone. I want to hear it. Good afternoon. Okay. So my name is Joye Nettles, and I am a consultant developer from ThoughtWorks. Today I want to share with you a few lessons I've learned in my first 9 months in the industry. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, this picture was taken 307 days ago, right across the street at my graduation. So I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and a minor in math. I loved my time at CFC because I truly discovered so much about myself. And I also felt that CFC really prepared me from what I had to go through in industry. So let's talk about that. So I work at a company called ThoughtWorks. Does anybody know what a ThoughtWorks is? Okay, we got a few hands. Okay, that's okay, because we're behind the scenes. So we are a global consultancy company with about 3,600 employees in 12 countries. So global consultancy, what does that mean? Basically, companies from various domains come to us and ask us for solutions. So it might be delivering software or teaching their developers and their analysts about Agile. We do it all. ThoughtWorks was founded on 3 pillars, as you see here. I won't go into every one of them, but ThoughtWorks has a great culture and we really adhere to our values. We care about our business, we care about our technology, and we care about the world. And this was one of the reasons why I chose to come to this company. So I started my career at ThoughtWorks in Pune, India, with a 6-week intensive training program called ThoughtWorks University. It was a great experience. I learned a lot about what I do at my company, technical practices, and within 6 weeks on the job force, I had already built a global network of about 77 ThoughtWorkers from all over the world, which is pretty cool. So I want to encourage all of you to, when you're on your job hunt, always ask if they do training and support, because that was key for me. I'm a developer, so I have learned a lot of technical practices. One that I want to share with you all today is the importance of delivering quality software that we can trust. So one way that we do this at ThoughtWorks is by writing clean code. Abstract, you can take whatever you want from clean code, but basically it's code that we can trust, code that we know works, and code that is easy to change. So one way that we ensure this is by doing test-driven development. If you've taken Dr. Barry's class, I know you've heard of it, but basically in a nutshell is you write a test that fails, then you write the minimal amount of code to make it pass, and then you clean up everything. And you just do this over and over again until you implement that feature you want. Another way that we ensure clean code is by pair programming. So instead of you work on this, you work on this, you work on this, we have 2 developers working on the same thing at the same time. And it ensures that we get really clean code, you learn the whole time, and knowledge isn't siloed. So it's a great thing. On the other end, I'm not just a developer. I don't only write code. I'm a consultant, so I have to be a people person. And one thing that ThoughtWorks has really taught me is that collaboration is key. When you go out into the industry, you're going to be working on teams, and you really want to work together to deliver software that you can trust and software that actually brings value to your client. So when you work together with your team, you want to make sure, hey, testers, don't be focusing on this. We want to make sure we're doing this for the client to deliver their business value, etc. So some other learnings, I won't go into everything here, but I will share my favorite thing that I heard at my orientation, actually. And a man told me, being the most inexperienced person in the room is a good thing. You're in great company. So when you go out into the industry, you're going to be brand new. You're going to be nervous, but that's okay. I encourage you to embrace it, make mistakes, fail fast, ask questions, and just always learn, because that's what this time is for. You don't want to get into the job and be there for 20 years and don't know the answer to things. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all about learning. And with that, I say thank you. I always wanted to speak at this conference. Dr. Barry knows, you can ask him. But so if you have any questions, please ask me at a Q&A or shoot me an email at that email address. And thank you.